My name is Anna Makowski. I'm a junior at Barnard College majoring in political science and human rights. And this summer I was one of the instructors at CGC Amman for our high school entrepreneurship workshop. It has been such a fabulous adventure over this past week. We've met such passionate students who have brought so many diverse perspectives and views to our classroom and to their peers. We've witnessed so many amazing friendships that have been built throughout the course of the week as students have gotten their heads together to pursue projects that they're extremely passionate about and that they personally have been affected by, whether that be mental health or access to political outlets for the youth that are unbiased and combat fake news. So many different sectors of entrepreneurship that have really been intertwined and pursued throughout the week. So it's been such a great experience here in Jordan, experiencing and getting to know all of the high school students that we've had here for the week, the staff, and Columbia University at a broader scale.